Welcome to the International Conference on AI in Higher Education Challenges and Opportunities. So, myself, Nageshwari Singh, I'm a counseling psychologist and currently running my own NGO in Delhi based on mental health, women empowerment, and child development. So, today on 28th of December 2024, the going year, we have all gathered here for an international conference on artificial intelligence organized by Saksham Society, Jaipur, Rajasthan, in collaboration with Chandrakanti Ramvati Devi Arya Mahila PG College, Diwan Bazar, Gorakhpur. So we have our speakers today for the conference. Ellen A. Custodios, welcome, sir. Am I audible? Dr. Pavan Kumar Pandey.
Yes, thank you.
And Dr. Rani V. Lonzo. Sir, we'll introduce you one by one in the beginning of your sessions in very detail. So without wasting much of the time and without working on it, we'd like to welcome our host for our collaborator, Dr. Srivastav, Dr. Rekha Srivastav. She is HOD of MA Department, Chandrakanti Ramvati Devi Arya Mahila College, Gorakhpur, Diwan Bazar. Ma'am, we are very obliged to have you on board today, and I would like to I like to you to honor us with some few words on this serious occasion. Now, mic is over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I, Dr. Rekha Srivastav, from Chandrakanti Ramavati Devi Arya Mahila PG College, Gorakhpur. It is my honor to welcome you all to this international conference jointly organized by the Saksham Society, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and Chandrakanti Ramavati Devi Arya Mahila PG College, Gorakhpur. As we all know, the topic of this conference is the artificial intelligence in higher education, challenges and opportunities. Artificial intelligence, actually this topic is very important and relevant for us. Artificial intelligence has made remarkable advancement and its impact is now deeply felt across various domains, including the education sector. While AI presents immense opportunities, it also brings several challenges that require attention and understanding. The objective of this conference is to explore how AI can be effectively utilized in higher education and address the future challenges it poses. We are privileged to have a distinguished panel of speakers with us today who will share their expertise on this important topic. First, I extend a heartfelt welcome to Shri Alan Custodio sir. Alan sir is an internationally acclaimed speaker, multi-ed-tech ambassador, coach, and trainer. He has earned accolades such as the Privacy Advocate Award Finalist 2024, Asian Data Science Explorers Master Trainer, and Multi-Ed Tech AI Ambassador, with numerous certifications and a commitment to advancing digital literacy. He has significantly impacted education and technology on a global scale. Next, I warmly welcome to Director Dr. Randy Roldan B. Lanuzo sir. Lanuzo sir is a visionary leader with expertise in human resource management, education and hospitality. He is the corporate director for academics at Joji Ilagan International Schools and CEO of Luminary Management Consultancy Services. With a doctorate in management, he is an award-winning educator, international speaker, and advocate for sustainable development and innovation. Finally, I am delighted Dr. Pavan Kumar Pandey sir. Dr. Pavan Kumar Pandey sir is a dedicated HOD, Computer Science Department at Digvijaynath PG College, Gorakhpur, with a PhD in Computer Science. He has extensive teaching experience and a strong research background in distributed databases, artificial intelligence, and data management systems. He has published numerous research papers, presented at international conferences, and holds patents for innovative technologies. Together, these esteemed speakers bring a wealth of knowledge, experience, and insights that will undoubtedly enrich today's discussions. Once again, a warm welcome to Alan sir, Director Lanozo sir, and Dr. Pavan Kumar Pandey sir. We also honor to welcome Shri Basant Jain sir, National Vice President of Shri Bharat Varshiya Digambar Jain Mahasabha and Chief Patron of the Saksham Society, and Dr. Suman Singh ma'am, Principal of Chandrakanti Ramauti Devi, R.A. Mehla PG College, Gorakhpur. Your distinguished presence graces this occasion, and we are privileged to have leaders of such caliber among us. Additionally, I extend a heartfelt welcome Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Mishra ma'am, the Director of Chandrakanti Ramauti Devi, R.A. Mehla PG College, Gorakhpur. Your vision and leadership continue to inspire us in our academic endeavors. With that, I extend a warm welcome to Nageshwari ma'am and Shilpi ma'am and our esteemed speakers, respected faculty members, and dear students from various colleges and universities. We are confident that the discussions today will provide a valuable insight and contribute meaningfully to the professional growth of both students and educators. Let us embark on this enlightening journey together. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Srivastava, for such an inspiring and thoughtful provoking introduction. Your words have beautifully set the tone, and we have promised an enriching evening to all of us. And thank you again, everyone, for joining us today. And with the session, our first speaker of the today is Mr. Alan A. Custodial, a distinguished educator and expert. I would like to call you upon, and mic is all yours, sir. Enlighten us with your words and your knowledge.
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
You are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. I want to first thank you to all of you, the organizer, Dr. Reha, all of you, ma'am, all of the MC. I forget some important people, but all of you are important for today. I see my colleagues, and ma'am, can I share my my PowerPoint?
Shilpi ma'am.
Yes, I allow you, sir. You can share from your side.
Okay, thank you. So, my PowerPoint is audible, ma'am?
Yeah, sir. It is visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. For today, I want to share to you some of the biggest AI in the industry in Industrial Revolution 5 or Industry Education 5. But before that, we will use ClassPoint AI from the Singapore. ClassPoint AI, I'm a ClassPoint trainer in the Philippines, and this is one of my favorite AI in presentation. Many kinds of student, many kinds of professor not using the AI presentation. For me, it is one of the choice right now to use AI. How to connect to this wonderful presentation of AI? Just go to google.com, classpoint.app, and we will have some activities. I'll have 25 minutes, I think, in the time. So you can scan the QR code. In my experiences past international conference, many kinds of educator, Europe, America, in different kinds of places using a QR code. So it is a must to have to their student, to the different kinds of professor, to have a download a QR code. So can anyone scan the code or just go to the Google and join ClassPoint.app, and the code is 22337. So I challenge anyone, student or attendees right now to join me and to explore what is the presentation in AI in PowerPoint right now. So anyone? So I think it is new to us, to them. So how to join? Yes, shout out Sir Ropali, Dr. Ropali, Dr. RR. So this is the power of the AI right now, that we have to collaborate real time, and I think I got 3 minutes, so I can close it, and I can back all over again, just like that, and it will, and it has a cloud system that retain the information that you are given to me. But it is also in our conference, the data privacy is given, taking a high consideration. This is for our training only. Okay, award all-star, and let's continue. Okay, so I will sharing to you the artificial intelligence playbook, or the HEI in School Leader. I am a Google certified educator here in the Philippines. I am privileged to share with you what the Google shared for me, and I want to share to you what is the Google artificial intelligence playbook look like. Okay, but before that, how are you? How are you today? This is one of the powerful PowerPoint presentation that you can collab. So I have 4 attendees right now, so you can answer through your phone. How are you today? And if you are chatting me, I am okay. It will be turned in our screen right now. Okay? So we have 4 participants. Okay, so great. So if I click the great, I will see RR, fine. I will see Ropali, and good, I will see Nageshwari. So I can click the live status, and I can see the pending one, because I think he is busy, sir, or sometimes I'm cooking right now, I'm multitasking. And this is a great presentation for me, the class point, and I can award all-star, and it has a cloud system. When I click this, so I will remember all the input of my student, or I can highlight some of the answer. Okay, so I have only 4, so I think I will skip this one. So for you, this is a short answer, and we will pass spacing right now because I have a 20 minutes. So what are, for your class, or for you attendees, or you can chat in our chat box, what are the opportunities for you? But I will remember the answer. But this is, I want to experience to you what is the real time PowerPoint right now here in the Singapore, in Asia. This is one of the very hot PowerPoint presentation, and it is, I think it is one of the best collaboration in terms of AI. So there is a AI in a PowerPoint presentation. Yes, this is one. There is another one, the CurryPad, and many kinds of AI, but this is one of the trusted. The CurryPad, the ClassPoint from the Singapore. Yes, this is one of the legit, and it is also free. Also free. You can use it in your class, in your daily activities, or what, something, a meeting. Okay, very interactive, global competitiveness. Yes, and I will. I think it is okay because we have for only participant. I hope you enjoy this one. I can award all star of you, and I can see the data analytics. I can call a name, and I can see what is the data analytics right now. Sir, because of the answer of the speed and the accuracy of the answer, maybe this is one of the highlight of the class point right now. And the current class rank. Okay. So the challenges are, or the opportunities, one is the data privacy. We care too much to our data privacy that every student must be caring of. So we are not grabbing any kind of AI. As a multi-edtech ambassador, I want to share to you the 3 safest AI. I think the Copilot and the Google Gemini. ChatGPT, it's okay, but if you are not okay, the feelings of, because it is not procured in our education system, because Copilot and Microsoft 365 is procurement in a different kinds of place here in the Philippines. Microsoft, every student has a Microsoft account. So Microsoft, I think it has a very reputable sense of data privacy and the Google. Next one is the ethical use. How the student use properly. What is the limitation? I will show to you what is the limitation, the digital divide, faculty resistance. Many of the faculty and the student, because of the student are not having a knowledge of AI, teacher will not do also. It is not, I think if the student has not knowledge in AI, we must do frontier to have a role model to them and the cost. Because of the different kinds of premium account, the AI must, for me, there are different kinds of free. ChatGPT is very powerful, but the ethical and the digital divide and faculty resistance, these are three restrain us to use what is the AI today. And the opportunities, personalized learning, efficiency, global collaboration right now, the AI we will be using right now. And this is the Google sent to me. This is the path of how to use AI in HEI in high school and elementary. Awareness, exploration, strategic, full integration, and continual improvement and the evaluation. It is for the teacher. And this is for the student. We will introduce, explore application, integration, ethical, skill building, and improvement. So in AI education, there are different kinds of potential. Number one is differentiation, assessment, personalized creativity, and efficiency. But the risk is very high. The plagiarism, accountability, and privacy, over-reliance, and societal balance is very much anticipated to have abuse to our students. So be careful in what we are doing. I suggest as an EdTech ambassador, multi-EdTech, we must use different kinds of rubrics that cater AI. This is one. This is the rubric that Google gave to me. The Google criteria I will be sharing to this conference. The criteria is curriculum alignment, age, data usage, compliance, user interface, tutorial training, and community resources. This assessing classroom AI rubrics cannot the educator to help what is appropriate AI to test. This I will send organizer to help with you also. And this one is the new evaluation of AI now. No AI assisted assessment, AI assisted editing, AI task or AI, just AI will wait. But there is interesting this one, this picture that last pic. If the student having a output, we will must evaluate, we will must verify, edit, revise, and the last one is will become you. You are the possible it will become ethical use. We are referencing what the AI that will use in this activity. I think so. Everyone should be in the end of the using of the AI will be you. You are the responsible of everything, creating AI, and always be transparent. And I think, ma'am, this is end my session. I think I did 25 minutes.
It's okay, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Gadolin, sir, for such an enlightful and insightful session. The wealth of experience and practical knowledge you have given is truly impactful, and it can be used by multiple nations on a grand level in education as well as in interaction as long. Because nowadays, due to this pandemic period, we have all switched to education on online basis. So getting a system and software that is more interactive and more impactful, it's a very good thing, sir. So thank you for introducing us for such an kind of a software in AI that is very, very impactful and very knowledgeable in AI education. So I thank you a lot for such an important information you have shared with us today. And we are very thank you for joining us today for this enlightful session. Moving on to the our next speaker, Dr. Pawan Kumar Pandey, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Digvijay Nath PG College, Gorakhpur, affiliated to DDU Gorakhpur University. Sir, are you in the meeting?
Yes, I'm in
You
meeting.
are in the meeting. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Thank
And
you.
please, I would I would like to know more and more about your researches and your work in the field. And please give us a little more.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. First of all, I'm very thankful to Saksham Society, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India, and Chandakati Ramauti Devi Arya Mahila PG College, Gorakhpur, that you all have invited me to express my views in international conference on topic artificial intelligence in higher education challenges and opportunities. Respected our mentors, Dr. Suman Singh, Principal, Chandakati Ramauti Arya Mahila PG College, Shri Basant Jain ji, National Vice President, Shri Bharat Vaishya Digambar Jain Mahasabha, Saksham Society, Coordinator of this international conference, Dr. Rekha Srivastava, IQAC Coordinator, Chandakati Ramauti Arya Mahila PG College, Dr. Shivani Dhodhi Kakkar, National Education Project Head, Saksham Society, organizing of this committee, Smriti Swapnil Pandey, Dr. Anita Singh, organizer of this international conference, Dr. Sarika Jaiswal, Dr. Shilpi Chauhan, Dr. Indu, and Madam Dr. Nageshwari Singh ji, and all the members which are connected in this international conference. First of all, I will discuss about what is artificial intelligence. Then after, I will discuss that what is the challenges and opportunities in higher education regarding artificial intelligence. Now I'm going to share my presentation. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. It is processing, so please wait. I think there is some network issue. Wait for some time. I will start
Okay,
very
sir.
soon.
न तो अच्छी खासी चलती है वो रेड में वेट कर सकता है.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for interruption. Now I'll start. So first of all, we'll discuss about artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer to think and learn like human. Many applications to make our life easier and more efficient. So here, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Essentially, it involves computer programs to reason on the same model as human brain by focusing on three cognitive skills: reasoning, learning, and self-corrections. If we talk about John McCarthy, first used this term artificial intelligence in a conference organized in 1950. That's why we call him as the father of artificial intelligence. But I want to discuss with you all that one thing. If we talk about our Vedas, you will find that even though the term artificial intelligence was used in 1950, but in Rig Veda mentioned all the concepts used in artificial intelligence today. So here I will discuss some points of Rig Veda. AI can relate to the concept in the Rig Veda. That is, first one is Yajana and automation. Second one is Chitti, that influence the intelligence and consciousness. Third one is Indra and power of vision. Then fourth one is self-learning and knowledge expansion. And fifth one is mantra as algorithm. Means what mantra we are using in the Rig Vedas, that is used as an algorithm during the development of artificial intelligence concept. So here, origin concept related to the artificial intelligence. AI can, in a philosophical and symbolic sense, be traced to the ancient Rig Veda, one of the oldest Indian scriptures. While the term artificial intelligence, as we know it today, in modern several hymns in Rig Vedas and other Vedic texts reflect deep philosophical ideas, resonate with the principle of intelligence, automation, and working of nature and mind. So we can say that AI can relate to the concept in Rig Veda. First one is that is Yajna and automation. It means the concept of Yajna, often described in the Rig Veda, involves precise actions and rituals that follow a logical structure. This can be metaphorically compared to the way algorithm and program function systematically in AI. If we talk about Chitti, that is intelligence and consciousness. So here Rig Veda speaks of Chitti or universal intelligence, hinting at the idea of a system or being possessing consciousness and intelligence. AI in modern system aims to mimic or replicate this kind of intelligence in a machine. If we talk about Indra and power of vision, so here Indra, the Vedic deity, is often described as having immense vision and analytical power. This correlates to the modern AI's ability to process and analyze large data sets, much like divine wisdom processing cosmic knowledge. If we talk about self-learning and knowledge expansion, so here Rig Veda discusses the continuous expansion of knowledge, which aligns with how AI system like machine learning algorithm and designed to learn and evolve over time. And if we talk about mantras as algorithm, Vedic mantras are highly structured and repetitive sequence aimed at achieving specific outcomes akin to the structure, nature of code and algorithm used in AI system. So we can say that Rig Veda addressed the concept of AI. Its timeless concept provides philosophical insight to intelligence, automation, and potential for creating systems that mimic natural and universal process. So here we'll discuss that how AI works. AI works in three steps. First one is data collection. Here AI systems start by collecting vast amount of data. Thereafter, the collected data is used to train AI models to recognize patterns in making predictions. That is the part of training. And the third one is, that is application. Trained AI models are then used to solve real world problems. Here three types of artificial intelligence are there. First one is narrow AI, which we are using as a voice assistant like Siri in, and we can say that in Apple systems, and what Alan sir has described that voice assistant as a Google assistant, that is Gemini. So these are the examples of narrow AI or weak AI. And if we talk about general AI, that is strong AI, it means ki a system having human level of intelligence and can perform intellectual tasks like human being. So that is the concept of strong AI. And if we talk about super intelligence, it means ki AI is smarter than human brain and intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically in every field. It means ki super intelligence AI have the ability of unlimited memory, superior thinking, and creativity. Here I've given some example of computer vision. It means ki what application we are using nowadays. It means ki we are using an application that is having the ability of image recognition. That is the concept of AI. Computer vision allow computers to see and interpret the images, identifying the objects, scenes and faces within them. Second, object detection. It can detect and track objects in real time, enabling application like self-driving car. Tesla is making the self-driving car. So this is the example of AI of object detection. And the third one is facial recognition. It means the computer vision powers facial recognition technology used for security, authentication, and even personalized experiences. Here we discuss that what are the applications of AI. Here applications of AI, will discuss about the application of AI. AI is used in healthcare, AI in diagnostics, personalized medicine, drug discovery, and robotic surgery. AI is used in the field of finance in fraud detection, algorithm training, trading, and risk management. AI is used in automotive fields, autonomous vehicles, and traffic management. AI is used in the field of retail, personalized, and inventory management. AI is also used in education, which is the topic of this conference, AI-driven adaptive learning platform and grading system, which we will discuss later on. AI is used in entertainment, AI in the content recommendation, like using Netflix and YouTube's. Here I have given a picture where a machine and a human being are shaking their hands, and I have given a picture of brains, machine brains, and what here I want to explain. It means ki purpose of artificial intelligence is what? Purpose of artificial intelligence is not to replace humans. Its main objective is to show how human and machine work together, and both brain work together for the betterment of the world. That's why I've uses this word. I've given the example of Sophia. Sophia is a female social humanoid robot developed in 2016 by Hong Kong-based company Hanshen Robotics. Sophia was activated in February 14, 2016 and made her first public experience in mid of March 2016. Here, Sophia was marketed as a social robot who can mimic social behavior and induce feelings of love in human beings. Now, I have explained here that what are the careers available in the field of AI. It means if in higher education, if will implement artificial intelligence as subject. So here is the opportunity in the field of AI. It means a student can become a data scientist to analyze large data sets, to train AI models and build predictive models. In the field of machine learning engineer, to develop and implement machine learning algorithm and models. A student can become an AI researcher to explore cutting-edge AI technologies and develop innovative solutions. And a student can become an AI product manager to lead the development and launch of AI-powered products. So these are the applications of AI. Now we'll discuss our topic, that is artificial intelligence in higher education, challenges and opportunity. Here I will briefly explain that artificial intelligence, first point, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machine designed to perform tasks, problem solving and decision making. In the field of education, AI is transforming traditional teaching and learning methods, personalized learning experiences, and automating administrative tasks and enhancing access to the quality of education. If we talk about the second point, that is AI-powered tools such as adaptive learning platform, virtual tutors, and intelligent assessment systems cater to individual learning needs, enabling students to progress at their own pace. AI also supports educators by automating repetitive tasks like grading and attendance tracking, freeing up time for more meaningful interaction with the students. About the integration of AI in education, fosters inclusively by providing tools for differently abled learners. Because we are focusing on our NAC, and for NAC accreditation, we have to focus on all points. So here, for enhancing global access to the resources and promoting skill like critical thinking and problem solving, as AI continues to evolve, hold the transformative potential to redefine education and making it more equitable and efficient and future ready. If we talk about the relevance of artificial intelligence in the Indian higher education system, here I am talking about the Indian higher education system. So here we have to discuss 7 points. First one is personalized learning. AI-powered platform provide tailored learning experiences for students addressing diverse academic backgrounds and learning paces. Adaptive learning technology ensures that students receive personalized support to achieve better outcomes. If we talk about the second point, that is administrative efficiency. AI automates routine administrative tasks such as admission processing, attendance management, and examination evaluation, enabling institutions to operate more efficiently and focus on academic excellence. If we talk about skill development and employability, so here AI fosters the development of future ready skills like data analytics, coding, machine learning. Institutions are embedding AI driven modules in curriculums to prepare students for careers in emerging industries. In the fourth point, inclusive education, AI-driven tools supports accessibility for differently able students through speech recognition, text-to-speech, and other assistive technologies promoting inclusive learning environment. And if we talk about research and innovation, that is most important for higher education. AI is empowering Indian higher education system institutions to enhance research capability through predictive analytics, pattern recognition, and advanced data modeling. This helps foster innovation in critical areas like healthcare, agriculture, and urban planning. And the most important topic, the sixth point, that is NEP 2020 alignment. The National Education Policy 2020 emphasized the use of technology, including AI, to revolutionize teaching, learning, and governance in higher education. AI aligns with policy goals of promoting interdisciplinary studies, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. The seventh point, that is remote learning and access. In a vast and diverse country like India, AI has enabled remote learning through virtual classroom, intelligent tutoring system, and multilingual support, making education accessible to students in rural areas also and underserved areas also. So by fostering innovation, inclusion, and efficiency, AI is poised to play pivot role in transforming Indian higher education system and landscape and driving its progress towards becoming global knowledge hub. So here now we will discuss about how AI aligns with the goals of NEP. Again we will discuss first point, that is personalized learning. NEP 2020 emphasized the tailored learning experiences to accommodate diverse student needs. AI-driven adaptive learning platforms provide personalized content, real-time feedback, and learning pathways, ensuring that students learn at their own pace and style. If we talk about the second, that is use of technology in education. Here, the policy advocates for the integration of technology to improving teaching, learning, and assessment processes. AI-powered tools such as intelligent tutor system, virtual labs, automated assessments enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of education delivery. If we talk about the third point, that is multilingual and inclusive education. Here, NEP 2020 promotes the
Country or
use
city?
of
City
regional
डालो
languages
फिर
and
country.
inclusive education for marginalized groups. AI facilitates this group natural language processing,
जबरदस्ती
real-time translation,
पहले
and
देश फिर
assistive
से है
technology that supports differently abled learner. If we talk about skill development and future
ठीक
ready
है चलो
curriculum,
लिंक भेज
so
दो
here NEP highlights the need for 21st century skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and digital literacy. Here AI introduces the student to emerging fields like data science, machine learning, and robotics, preparing them for evolving job markets. So here if we discuss about fifth point, that is improved access to quality education. So here the policy seeks to bridge the rural-urban divide and ensure equitable access to education. AI powered the platform that enables remote learning, virtual classrooms, and MOOCs platforms, providing quality of education to students in remote and underserved areas. If we talk about the sixth point, that is holistic and multidisciplinary approach, here NEP envisions a multidisciplinary additional framework that integrates arts, science, and vocational skills. AI fosters the interdisciplinary learning through simulation-based tools, gamification, and creative problem-solving application. If we talk about the seventh and last point, that is enhance governance and efficiency. So here the policy encourages the transparency and accountability in the institutional governance. AI aids in streamlining the administrative processes, tracking student performance, and providing data-driven insights for institutional decision making. So now we'll discuss that what are the opportunities in higher education. Again, the first point, that is personalized learning. If we talk about the opportunities in higher education in India, so first one is personalized learning. It means the adaptive learning platform that customize course content to individual learning speed and style. AI-based tools like chatbots for 24 into 7 student support. So here we'll discuss that what is chatbot. Chatbot is a software application that uses artificial intelligence to stimulate conversations with users, typically through text or voice interaction. Chatbots are designed to understand user input, provide relevant responses, and perform specific tasks, making them highly versatile tools in various fields. What are the applications of chatbots? It means in the field of customer support, we need chatbot. In the field of education, we need chatbot. In the field of healthcare, we need chatbot. In the field of e-commerce, we need chatbots. In the field of banking, we need chatbots. So these are the applications of chatbot. If we talk about the second point, that is automation of administrative tasks. So here, streamlining admission, grading, and attendance tracking. These are the opportunities. And reducing workload of educators, enabling them focus on teaching and mentoring. If we talk about the third point, that is enhanced learning experiences. Here, virtual labs and simulation for science and technology programs. AI-powered, augmented, and virtual reality tools for interactive and immersive learning. And if we talk about the opportunities, that is fourth point, data-driven decision making. So here, AI algorithm for predicting student performance and identifying at-risk students. Insight from data analytics to improve curriculum design and resource allocation. If we talk about the fifth point, that is research and innovation, there is an opportunity. So here, AI tools for data analysis in research projects, and AI also support for enhancing collaboration through AI-driven platforms. And the sixth one, that is accessibility and inclusion. Here, AI tools that assist students with disability, text-to-speech, real-time subtitles, and language translation tools to bridge linguistic barriers. So these are the opportunities in AI in higher education of India. Now we'll discuss the challenges. What are the challenges in AI in higher education of India? That first one is infrastructure and digital divide. So here we have limited access to high-speed internet and advanced computing infrastructure in rural areas, digital gap between urban and rural institutions. If we talk about the second one, that is cost of implementation, high cost of procuring and maintenance of AI system, financial constraints of public and smaller private institutions. These are the challenges. And if we talk about the third one, that is faculty and staff training. So here, lack of awareness and training among the educators about AI technology. So here, we need a training of faculty and staff to train them that how to use the AI applications. Resistance to adopting new technology due to fear of complexity means the faculties are having various fears about artificial intelligence. So we have to train them that how to use AI application and how to implement them in their teaching. So this is the best challenge which we have to work on. Now, if we talk about the fourth one, that is ethical privacy and concern, ensuring the data security and privacy for students and staff, and the bias in AI algorithm to ensure fairness and equity. And if we talk about the fifth one, that is limited research and development in AI for education, it means it needs for more Indian specific AI solutions tailored to local context and insufficient collaboration between academia and AI industry. So these are the challenges. So if we talk about the sixth one, that is over reliance on technology. So risk of replacing the critical human interaction in education with automated system, need to balance AI with traditional teaching methods. These are the challenges of AI. Now I want to give some case studies examples. It means where we are using the AI, it means if AI powered is used for student mentoring system that we are using in IITs. So now we have to implement in traditional colleges, traditional institutions. We are using chatbots for administrative assistance, and we are using the AI concept in online examination system during the pandemic. Especially, I want to give the, we have implemented it in pandemic 2019. Now, what are the futures, directions, and recommendations? So, if we talk about the future direction and recommendation, so first one is policy and regulatory support. How AI will support us? So, here AI will support us to encourage policy initiatives to integrate AI into higher education under NEP 2020 and funding support for AI research and implementation. If we talk about capacity building, organizing training programs for faculty and staffs on AI tools, inclusion of AI and related technology in curriculum development. If we talk about infrastructural development, so here bridging the digital divide by improving internet and technology access in rural institutions. And collaboration and partnership, collaboration between academia, industry, and government of AI adaptation, developing Indian specific AI solution for education. If we talk about ethical AI practices, so here we have to develop a clear guidelines for data privacy and ethical use of AI in education. So these are the future directions of recommendation. Now I will discuss finally that what are the conclusions. If we talk about the conclusion, so here artificial intelligence holds immense transformative potential for addressing long-standing challenges in Indian higher education while unlocking new opportunities by personalizing learning experiences, improving access to quality education, fostering inclusivity, and enhancing the administrative efficiency. AI can revolutionize the way education is delivered and experiences. It also assigns seamlessly with the goals of NEP 2020, fostering the innovation, skill development, equitable learning opportunity, thus preparing students for future driven by technology and global competitiveness. If we talk about that, the second point, that is emphasize the need for collaborative efforts among policymakers, educators, and industry leaders. So here, however, to fully realize that potential collaborative efforts among policymakers, educators, and industry leaders are crucial. Policymakers must create enabling frameworks to integrate AI ethically and inclusively. Educators need to adopt AI-driven tools to enhance the teaching learning processes, while industry leaders must provide technological support, research partnerships, and training programs. Together, these stakeholders can ensure the effective implementation of AI, paving the way of transformative, inclusive, and future-ready Indian higher education systems. So, these are the concept of higher education that we have to implement in our higher education, in Indian higher education. So, I have explained all the points which can influence in our